Imagine life as a game, a complex and engaging one where you're the main player. It's an intriguing concept, isn't it? And one that's not too far from the truth. Let's delve deeper into this idea. What if we told you that you could navigate life with the same strategic thinking and skill set you use when playing your favorite game? In many ways, life parallels the structure of a game. There are goals to be achieved, which are akin to winning points in a game. These could be anything from getting that promotion at work, starting your own business, or even buying your dream house. Then there are obstacles to be overcome. Just as you battle enemies or tackle challenges in a game, life too throws curveballs. These could be financial hurdles, personal setbacks, or professional obstacles. But remember, in a game, these challenges are not roadblocks. They're opportunities to learn, grow, and level up. And that brings us to our next point: progression. As in a game where your character levels up with each victory, life too offers a similar progression. Every challenge you overcome, every goal you achieve, helps you to level up in life. It might not always be easy, and sometimes the game of life can be tough. But with every level you cross, you become stronger, wiser, and more equipped to handle what comes next. But here's what sets life apart from a regular game. You're not just the player, you're also the strategist. The skills and strategies you use in life can determine your success. Learning to adapt, to strategize, and to make informed decisions are all crucial. In essence, life, like any game, requires understanding and strategy. It's about knowing the rules, learning the skills, and then playing the game to the best of your abilities. And remember, just as every game is different, every life is unique. The strategies that work for one person might not work for another, but that's the beauty of it. Just as in a game, the key to success in life lies in understanding the rules and learning how to play effectively. In this game of life, rules are not your enemy. Instead, they can be your ally. Imagine you're playing a game of chess. You wouldn't get far if you didn't know how the pieces moved or what strategies to employ, right? Life works similarly. There are rules and principles that govern our world, whether we're talking about the laws of physics or the rules of entrepreneurship. Understanding these rules and using them to your advantage can make all the difference. Consider the story of Elon Musk. He understood the rules of the automotive industry and saw an opportunity to disrupt them with electric cars. He didn't break any rules, but he certainly bent them to his advantage. He understood that the game wasn't about making the fastest or cheapest car, it was about making the most sustainable one. Now let's take a look at another example, this time in the world of technology. Jeff Bezos, the founder of Amazon, understood the rules of retail and saw a chance to revolutionize them with online shopping. What he did was not illegal or against the rules. Instead, he saw the trends, understood the mechanics of the industry, and used these rules to create one of the most successful companies in the world. In both these cases, Musk and Bezos didn't just play the game, they mastered it. They learned the rules, understood them, and then used them to their advantage. Just like a chess player understands the mechanics of the game to formulate a winning strategy. So, in your journey, remember this crucial aspect. Understand the rules of your industry. Learn them, master them, and then use them to your advantage. This doesn't mean you should be rigid and inflexible. Instead, think of it as understanding the mechanics of your game, your industry. Remember, the rules are not there to restrict you. They're there to guide you, to give you a framework within which you can innovate, create, and ultimately succeed. When you understand the rules and how to use them, you gain control of your game, your life. Every game has levels, and so does life. Each level brings new challenges and new rewards. Now let's dive into the concept of leveling up in life. Just like in any game, life too can be seen as a series of levels, each with its own set of challenges and rewards. As we navigate through these levels, we build resilience, acquire new skills, and gain valuable experience. This is where the thrill of the game comes into play. Each new level brings with it a sense of achievement, a sense of growth, and the exhilaration of overcoming obstacles. But how do we level up in life? There's no cheat code, no shortcut. It's all about continuous learning. Life is a constant learning process. Every day presents us with new opportunities to learn, to grow, and to improve. So embrace learning, seek knowledge, be curious. Your thirst for knowledge is the key to unlocking new levels in this game of life. And of course, taking risks is an integral part of leveling up. The safe zone might be comfortable, but it's not where growth happens. Challenge yourself, step out of your comfort zone, take calculated risks. Remember, no great achievement was ever accomplished without a little bit of risk-taking. Now let's talk about challenges. They might seem daunting, but it's the challenges that make the game interesting. They push us to our limits, test our resilience, and force us to adapt and grow. So instead of running away from challenges, embrace them. See them as opportunities to learn, to grow, and to level up. Here's the thing about this game of life. It's not about how fast you can reach the top. It's about the journey, the learning, the growth, and the person you become along the way. So take your time. Enjoy the process. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep leveling up. Every level you conquer in this game of life brings you closer to your ultimate goal. In a game, the ultimate goal is to win. In life, winning could mean achieving financial success. Just as every game has its victors, every field of life has its champions. The entrepreneurs who have maneuvered, strategized, and played their way to the top. They've turned their lives into a game, and they've won. Take a moment and think about some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs. Bill Gates, Oprah Winfrey, Elon Musk. These are players who've won the game of life on an epic scale. But their victories weren't handed to them on a silver platter. They had to carve their own paths, invent their own rules, and face countless obstacles. They played their game with a relentless spirit, a strategic mind, and a hunger for success. Just as a chess player studies the board, formulates a strategy, and makes calculated moves, these entrepreneurs have played their game with a similar mindset. Their businesses are not just businesses, but intricate games where every decision, every risk, every move counts. And like any good player, they've learned from their mistakes, adapted their strategies, and kept pushing forward, even when the odds were stacked against them. But winning the game of life isn't just about financial success. It's about setting personal goals, pursuing passions, and finding happiness. It's about creating a life that you're proud to call your own. And to do that, you have to play the game with all you've got. You have to take risks, make sacrifices, and stay committed to your goals. The key is to remember that just like in a game, you can't win if you don't play. So step onto the playing field of life, roll the dice, and see where the game takes you. And remember, the most successful players are the ones who play not just to win, but to enjoy the game itself. Winning in life, like in a game, is all about playing your cards right and never giving up. Now that you understand life as a game, are you ready to play? We've been on quite the journey together, haven't we? We've taken a fresh look at life, not as a series of random events, but as a game that we can not only play, but win. Let's take a moment to recap what we've learned. Remember that in this game of life, you're not a pawn, but the player. You have the power to make the rules work for you. Just as in any game, understanding the rules and learning how to use them to your advantage is the key to success. In life, these rules can be the laws of economics, the principles of human behavior, or even the habits that shape our daily routines. We've also learned about the importance of leveling up. In a game, we don't stay stuck at the same level forever. We strive to improve, to advance, to level up. The same principle applies in life. Continual growth and development is not only possible, it's necessary if we want to achieve our goals and dreams. And then there's winning. We've discussed what it means to win in the game of life. It's not just about accumulating wealth, though that can certainly be part of it. It's about reaching our full potential, about achieving the goals that are meaningful to us. It's about making a positive impact on the world and leaving a legacy that lasts. So, are you ready to play the game of life with this new mindset? Ready to make the rules work for you, to level up and to win? The potential rewards are enormous. Imagine the financial success you could achieve, the lifestyle you could enjoy, the difference you could make. The game of life is waiting for you. Are you ready to play and win? If you found this video helpful and are ready to uncover the secrets to financial success, don't forget to subscribe. Let's continue this journey together, playing and winning the game of life.